skincare face masks have become an essential part of many people's beauty and wellness routines due to their variety of benefits and ease of use. These masks are specially formulated treatments that target specific skin concerns such as dryness, acne, dullness, or signs of aging. Typically applied to the face and left on for a short period before being rinsed or peeled off, face masks allow for deep penetration of active ingredients. They come in various forms, including clay masks, sheet masks, gel masks, cream masks, and peel-off masks, each offering unique advantages based on skin type and needs. For example, clay masks are ideal for oily and acne-prone skin as they absorb excess oil and purify pores, while hydrating masks with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or aloe vera are perfect for dry or sensitive skin. Regular use of face masks can improve skin texture, enhance radiance, and provide a relaxing, spa-like experience at home. Face masks also play a role in promoting mental well-being, as taking the time to apply a mask can be a form of self-care and stress relief. With the rise of natural and organic beauty trends, many people now prefer masks made with natural ingredients such as turmeric, green tea, honey, and charcoal, which provide nourishment without harsh chemicals. It's important to choose a mask suitable for your skin type and to use it as directed, usually once or twice a week, to avoid overuse, which can irritate the skin. Overall, incorporating face masks into a regular skincare routine can be a simple yet effective way to maintain healthy, glowing skin. As with any skincare product, consistency, proper application, and choosing the right product are key to achieving the best results. Let me know if you'd like this formatted for printing or turned into a presentation. As with any skincare product, consistency, proper application, and choosing the right product are key to achieving the best results.